In this series, But What About AirCrete, I'm going to be answering your most frequently asked and often overlooked questions. We've been living and building and teaching AirCrete for years now, and with the state of the world and the economy and the uncertain times, there's never been a better time for you to get your own home affordably built that's going to keep you comfortable. So rather than do what most people do and talk out of our butt, what are AirCrete blocks made from? Well, AirCrete, obviously. You may choose to add some things like up to 20% of the water can be replaced with old paint or latex or acrylic to make a block that's a lot stronger and doesn't crack. Some people add cellulose fibers to avoid cracking, and styrofoam as well. And so there's additives. You just have to be careful that you don't add things like fiberglass or things that cancel out the insulating effect of AirCrete, because after all, that's one of its biggest advantages.